Hi
Linda.
guys, you're welcome back to my video. In today's video, I'll be talking about these 5 care homes that are currently recruiting in UK with visa sponsorship. If you are a nurse, if you're a nursing assistant, if you are a support worker, this video is just for you. What you have to do is just to tailor your CV according to the job description and apply. As I will always say it, because they keep posting jobs, we will keep applying. So guys, let's go to my screen so that I can show you this care home so that you apply as soon as possible. And remember, apply aggressively. Let's go. So guys, the first care home I will be talking about today is called DynaK. When you go to Google or you go to your browser, just type dynacare.co.uk and this page will pop up like this. But not to worry, I'll drop the link at the description box. And what you have to do is just to scroll a little bit down so that you read everything about this care home. As I will always say, make sure you read everything so that you understand the kind of job you are going to do. And if you want to know if they offer sponsorship, just go back at the top of the page and you go to where you see career. When you click on career, another page will pop up like this and you see something like care assistant, London, Birmingham, other areas in England and Wales. Apply now. But we are not going to click on the apply now button because I want us to read a little bit further. It states care assistant, on-site full-time position. Join a UK employer as a care assistant to work in health and social care roles in London, Birmingham, other areas in England and Wales. The UK has relaxed its visa requirement to allow care workers to be sponsored due to a national shortage of care workers. The key responsibilities of a care assistant includes supporting people with their care needs in care homes and other care facilities, assisting with personal hygiene, administering medication, preparing and serving meals. Guys, make sure you read everything. So now let's look at the job description. We are looking for care assistant candidates from overseas to fulfill health and social care roles in London City of England. The UK has now relaxed its visa requirement to allow care workers to be sponsored in addition to senior health care assistants. Our clients are now looking to find foreign candidates amidst a national shortage of care workers in UK. So guys, this is very important. Make sure, as I always tell you guys, read everything about the job description. And when you go down a little bit, you see something like responsibilities. You have to also read. I will be reading, but I will not be able to read everything. So now I'll read a little bit about the responsibilities. As a care assistant in UK, you will support people with their care needs in care homes and other care facilities. Your key responsibilities as a care assistant include meal preparation, medication support, home support tasks, personal care support, mental health support, providing palliative care, stroke recovery, promoting independence, learning disability support, providing care and support. So guys, make sure you read everything. And they also talk of qualification. No experience is necessary, but they also need you to have a care certificate. So guys, and it is also written there that Type 2 sponsorship available for UK-based and overseas candidates. If you are already in UK, this job is for you. If you are based in overseas or if you are an international applicant, this job is also for you. So guys, make sure you read everything. And when you get to the bottom of the page, you see something like apply here. We are going to click on the apply here together. When you click on the apply here, another page will pop up like this and the page reads, join the team. Kindly fill out the form. Now you have to put in your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, and then you upload your CV. And then you click on submit. So guys, when you click on submit, it means you are done. Remember to first of all read the job description very well so that you use the key terms in the job description to tailor your CV. Tailor your CV according to the job description. That is very, very important. So guys, that is that for DynaK. So the next opportunity or the next job I will be talking about is the job of a home care assistant. and you will be working with Care Direct and Support Solutions Limited. This job is full time. So guys, if you want to know much about them, don't worry, I will drop the link at the description box, so you don't need to worry. Just click on the link if you want to apply. So guys, when you scroll down a little bit, you see something like the salary. They pay £10.75 per hour, and as I said earlier, the job is full time. They need care assistant and they offer sponsorship. So guys, let's read a little bit about this job. We are looking for care assistants from within UK and from overseas to fulfill care roles in Luton, its surrounding areas, and London, UK. We are looking for someone who is interested in helping others and growing within the organization. If you are interested in joining a team that values its employees and is looking for a career opportunity with great growth potential, then we want to hear from you. As you can see, they need care assistants from UK or within UK and from overseas. Guys, make sure you read everything. And they also talk of key responsibilities, which include providing care and support, promoting independence, personal care, medication support, meal preparation, stroke recovery support, palliative care, domestic support, skills and experience. Previous healthcare experience is an advantage. So if you have let's say an experience in healthcare, is an added advantage. And they say we offer competitive pay, working hours with an excellent benefit package including Tier 2 sponsorship available for UK and international candidates. So guys, they offer sponsorship. So if you want to know more, just continue going down and you will see everything. And they say benefits: company pension, sick pay, UK visa sponsorship. For sick pay, they mean when you are sick, you still get paid. It's just left for you to go to the hospital and get the doctor's report that please, I'm sick, and they'll still pay you, which is very, very sweet. So guys, if you want to apply, what you have to do is just to click on the apply now, and it will take you to another page. This is the page, and you'll see something like home care assistant. If you still want to read about the job details, you can read it very well, and you add your information, your first name, your last name, your email address, your county, your phone number, and then you click on continue. When you click on continue, it will take you to the next page where you have to continue with your application. So guys, that is that for this job. The next job opportunity I will be talking about is the position of support worker, and this job was just posted 1 day ago, and you will be working with On Track Care Service. On Track Care Service. So guys, I will drop the link at the description box. You know how we do it. And just scroll a little bit down, you'll see something like Tier 2 sponsorship. Join a UK employer as a support worker to get Tier 2 sponsorship to live and work in UK for up to 5 years. Oh my God, this one is sweet. Company introduction. Guys, make sure you read everything. As you know, I cannot read everything. You are supposed to read everything because you are applying for these jobs, and pay attention to the job description. And it also talks of main duties. As you are going down or as you are scrolling down, you will see everything you have to know about this job. Just scroll down and read everything. Make sure you tailor your CV according to the job description. That's why I always say make sure you read the job description very, very carefully and jot down the key points. It talks of benefits: casual dress, free parking, health and well-being program, UK visa, sponsorship, experience, home care 1 year preferred, language English. And if you want to apply for this job, just click on apply for job. Let's click together. When you click apply for job, it takes you to apply for this job. Please visit www.glassdoor.com. When you click on the glassdoor.com, it takes you to another page where you see something like easy apply. I'll advise you to read very well the job description before you continue with the easy apply, so that you know what you are getting into. That is that for that job. The next job opportunity I will be talking about is the position of a healthcare worker, and they offer visa sponsorship. You will be working at Manchester, United Kingdom. This job was just posted 2 days ago, and they offer sponsorship. So guys, let's read or let's look at this job. What you have to do is just to scroll down a little bit, and you see something like job summary, and it states, are you ready for a new challenge? Want a career change? Well, this could be an opportunity that you have been waiting for. Guys, they are in need of healthcare workers, not just healthcare worker, but healthcare workers. As you can see, Stockport NHS Foundation Trust are looking for healthcare workers who have an attitude based on strong nursing values and an overall commitment to provide patients and their families with care that is first and foremost based on culture of compassion, professionalism, and respect. Being a healthcare worker needs love, it needs respect, it needs compassion, it needs empathy. So it needs professionalism. If you want to work as a healthcare worker, no, you're supposed to have this quality. So guys, what you have to do is just to scroll down a little bit onto the bottom of the page, read everything, understand the job description very well, and know what you are getting into. And look at the benefits, look at the requirements, look at everything, and you see something like experience, past experience in caring role. Look at the skills, good communication skills, able to organize self and deliver tasks effectively. Continue going down and you see something like certificate of sponsorship, and it reads, application from job seekers who require current skilled worker sponsorship to work in UK are welcome and will be considered alongside all other application. Guys, I hope you know what it means to work with the HNS. So much benefits and goodies. So guys, if you want to apply for this job, and before I say if you want to apply for this job, the closing date is the 24th of July. So guys, you still have time to restructure your CV. Restructure your CV very well. Remember, you're going to work with NHS and they are very good and they select the best. And if you want to apply for this job, just go to apply for job. When you click on apply for job, it will take you to another page where you have to apply. NHS is very good, and when you work with them, I'm telling you guys, that's the very best decision you will ever make. So guys, the next job opportunity I will be talking about today is with Bethany Nursing Care Services. As you can see, this care home is offering sponsorship and they are in need of care workers. If you want to know about them, just go to your computer or your browser and type bethanynursingcare.co.uk and try to scroll down a little bit so that you know who they are. Read everything about them. For example, they say qualified nurses, healthcare assistant and support staff, general practitioner, and so on and so forth. Read everything. And when you are done reading, you have to just go back at the bottom of the page and you see something like the about us. You see something like services, you see training, you see jobs, you see testimonials. What you have to do is to go to about us. When you put your cursor on about us, you see something like overseas recruitment. That is where you are supposed to click. When you click on the overseas recruitment, another page will pop up like this and you see something like overseas recruitment. Bethany Healthcare Services, the name you can trust. What you have to do is just scroll down a little bit and read what they have written on this page. The UK has one of the largest economies in the world and requires a lot of workforce in different fields to fill that huge economic market, and there's a high demand of international candidates, especially in healthcare, as it remains one of the most short-staffed in both private and public sectors. Nursing staff is even on shortage occupation lists. For majority healthcare carers, like nursing or therapy candidates must be registered with regulatory healthcare professional body like Health and Care Professional Council or Nursing and Midwifery Council as they assess the applicant's qualification, training and experience against UK standards. So guys, read everything. I just wanted to show you that they offer sponsorship. And when you go down again at the last paragraph, it states, currently, we are recruiting candidates from overseas to work in private hospitals or private non-profit care homes. So guys, they recruit from overseas to work in private care, non-profit homes and hospitals. So guys, if you want to read more about them, it is very important to read. And there is something that I want to show you guys, because with them, what you have to do is to contact them and they will get back to you. But I'll first of all want to read this. We will provide a full information on both the clients you are applying for and the location in which they are based, so you can be sure you are making the right choice. setting up video interview with the employee. These are the steps you would need to follow, or these are the steps they follow when you want to work with them. So guys, it is always good to read everything. As you know, I cannot read everything. Read everything. Support with obtaining the right to work in UK, visa, work permit, and so on and so forth. Read everything so that you know what they are talking about. And the process, they talk about the process. The first stage is initial screening, initial contact to assess suitability. So you have to contact them. Interview via video call to discuss expectation, requirement, and experience. So after you contact them, they'll screen you and they'll decide to contact you and they'll make an interview. After the interview, compliance obtaining required documents. And that's the next stage is part one. NMC registration process, computer-based training, visa application, arrival to UK. We will meet you and take you to your accommodation, and introduction to employer, and so on and so forth. Guys, make sure you read everything about this care home. So thank you guys, thank you so much. I just want you to read everything and apply as soon as possible, guys. Tailor your CV according to the job description, and don't forget, I will be seeing you again on my next video. Bye.